Hey, what's up? We better get lit and turn up, yeah, lit and turn up. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Nicole, and today I'm back at it again with another motherfucking video. Where the shades at, though? Giving you, yes, kill it, yes. All right, you guys. So I'm like in the most awkward position right now, trying to give you guys this video. I'm like standing in my wig closet, but it's like you can't see me down here, so like I have to like squat with my hands on my knees. So today I'm here with this hair review, and I guess I could stand a little bit. As you can see in the title, obviously what hair I'm wearing today. Make sure to keep watching this video if you want to know the specs and stuff like that. Then please keep on watching. Okay.
I'm so over it, I'm happy you dipped. You did me wrong, but I stay strong. I'm about to glow up on you. What goes around comes back around. Now nigga, what you gon' do?
Alright, so first and foremost, this wig was sent to me by Ywigs, like you can read it in the title or whatever. So basically this is a 613 wig, but the thing is, it's a closure wig. And sorry for the weird echo. I'm in my closet and I'm just trying to give you guys different views of like my filming setup and stuff like that. I don't know why this orange is showing. It's not supposed to. Let's pretend it's not. So yeah, basically they sent me this wig, but I thought it was gonna be a frontal wig, you guys, but it ended up being a closure wig. So the wig is only a closure wig, tracks in the back. It has a very nice construction inside. I will show you guys a clip of what it looks like inside and stuff like that. But I really like the way the wig was constructed, like for real. Now I'm not 100% sure, but I think this wig is 16 inches.
Hold up, pause. This wig is not 16 inches. I don't know what the heck my brain was going through, you guys, but it's definitely not 16 inches. The closure is 16 inches and it has 18 inches and 20 and 20 inch bundles. So 3 bundles and a closure altogether. So 16, 18, 20, 20. Okay. Sorry about that, y'all.
And again, I'm like, come on, bro, like you sending a girl that likes 30 inches a 16-inch wig and it's 613, come on. So I don't want to cut it. I just wanted to do something very bright. And as you can see on my wig, as you can see with some of my wigs here, this is cherry, this is fire, this is paprika, but I wanted something in the middle of cherry and fire, so I got this. It has a little bit of an orange tint to it, or a little bit of an orange touch, but nothing too crazy. I will show you guys the dye that I used. I used the Kiss dye, you guys, I do have a couple clips of showing you guys. Oh my god. And if you guys would only knew what I went through with this dyeing process, you guys, I was like motivated to do it, but I was doing it in my room on my white or my tan carpet, and then the bottle flew up my hand and the dye got all over my carpet, and I was literally scared shitless. I woke up, it was like 2 in the morning, so I woke up the next morning and I was like, okay, but you gotta go get some cleaning supplies and try to do this. So basically what I did to lift it off the carpet or even on counters or anything, use alcohol, let it sit, use peroxide and some laundry detergent or dish detergent. I prefer the laundry detergent because that's what I used and that's what worked. And then a really boiling hot water, apply it to the carpet or the surface and scrub it away, and it literally came out, you guys. I'm so happy. My parents don't even know. Okay, but yeah, I was really stressed out about that. But yeah, so this is the color that I got, and this is my 3rd time using the Kiss hair dye, and I really love it because it does have argan oil infused in it, so it smells really good. It leaves the hair feeling really good. It's not matted. Oh, and if you see little hair strands, it's because I got wigs in front of me as well. The wigs go all around the closet. Stay tuned for the closet tour. But yeah, you guys, so I have it in a ponytail right now, but I've been wearing it down, and I'm also gonna apply waves to it, like the waves where I do the big waves and then the end stay straight. Yeah, I'm gonna wear it like that before I take it out. I might leave this in for one more day, might take it off tomorrow, but I really like the way this wig came out, the color and stuff. And I know it's in a ponytail, so you can't really like see, well, I mean, you could kind of see the luster and stuff. It's really pretty. So yeah, you guys, I don't know what's going on with my little cape thing. It's supposed to be like this and the shoulders are supposed to hang off, but I don't know what we got going on here, whatever. But yeah, this is my 2nd time working with Ywigs, but this is my 1st time getting a 613 wig from them, so I pretty much like it. Honestly, I honestly would wonder, do they have wigs with the frontal ear to ear, because my other wig, my alpha wig, is blonde, and I would like to do another color with a frontal. So I mean, I guess this works, right? I just can't do too much with it. But I low-key made some baby hairs on the side with the tracks on the side. Don't ask me how I did it. I don't know. Just watch the video. But yeah, that's basically it for this. Ooh, almost fell. Lost my balance. I'm standing on a stool, you guys. That's basically it for this hair review. I thank you guys so much. Let me know if you guys think I should do a wig collection video or like a wig, my wig collection, my favorite wigs, each story behind each wig, or whatever. Comment down below, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up as well, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, love you so much. See you in the next one. Stuff what? So we got cherry, fire, paprika, bodak yellow. Oh, we got a famous one right here. Highlighter, mint chocolate, Joker, Fiji. Shout out to Drum for naming that one. Abbey, Ocean, and I forgot what we called her. Comment down below if you have a name for her, because I completely forgot the name that we came up with.
Alright, you guys, so this is how I received the hair. Actually, no, this is not how I received the hair. It was packaged way more nicer. The box was intact, and they gave me a little drawstring book bag that I'm going to use to store my wigs when I travel and stuff like that. And I really love when brands do that, because it just helps me keep everything, you know, together. And then they gave me this little letter, and this letter explains how to take care of the hair, this, that, and the third, but I got you with that, so don't worry about it. So basically, this is the Ywigs closure wig. It is a 16-inch closure and an 18-inch and two 20-inch bundles. So here we're gonna get into the dyeing process so I can show you guys. All my dyeing process is pretty much the same, you guys. I'm not a professional. I just do it how I do it. I get it how I live. I live it how I get it. And you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I use trash bags. I would prefer the big black trash bags, but I didn't have any of those anymore left, so I just had to use these garbage bags. And then I double up on gloves because my nails are white and I don't want to get the hair dye on my nails, which I did get it on the carpet, and I'm so upset I don't have a before and after picture of this carpet that I messed up and fixed. So anyways, yeah, put the gloves on. Alright, you guys, so I'm using the Kiss Tintation hair dyes, and I'm using the color Flaming Orange. So this color reminds me of like a scarlet color. Like if you remember Crayola crayons when we were kids, like they had that one color that was called Scarlet, which is like a reddish orange. That's what this color definitely reminds me of. So I got inspired by Dream Doll because she did this Fire Red to the Root, and I really wanted to do it. And they only had 4 bottles left, and I wanted, like I said, I wanted to do this on longer hair, and I had an extra bundle, like a 26-inch bundle ready to put on the bottom, but I ran out of hair dye. So I basically just apply that to all the hair and maneuver it with my fingers. And as you can see on my glove, it has like an orange tint, but it's definitely more so red. Alright, so this is what the wig is looking like, freshly washed with silicone shampoo and conditioner. And this is what the inside of the wig is looking like. I sprayed the lace on the closure with Got2b spray so that the hair dye wouldn't stain it, and it came right off the lace perfectly. So I just want to show you guys, it looks very full, it feels really soft, and the hair is just doing this thing. So I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of the video. Pretty much self-explanatory because I've done this a million times with you guys, but just know that I went in with my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat face powder in the color Chestnut to basically color the knots because they were red and we wanted them to look like scalps. So yeah, that's basically what I did, and I plucked it a little bit. So I mean, just watch and enjoy, and I'll come back when I need to re-explain.
Baby, I'ma need you to do better. I thought that you would need me. I thought you would have said. I thought you'd be there for me, but you chose to walk away. You promised me forever, forever ain't a thing. I thought that you would need me. I thought you would have said. I thought you'd be there for me, but you chose to walk away. You promised me forever, forever ain't a thing. You broke me, you hurt me, you said that you love me. I'm not gonna cry no more. I'm stacking my money, you stay moving funny. Now nigga, you gotta go. Cause you full of shit and you ain't legit. No, no. I'm so over it, I'm happy you dipped. You did me wrong, but I stayed strong.
To lay my wig down really quick, I used the new Ebin New York, I guess their version of Got2b, you guys. I love this stuff so much. It's so strong though, like it's not a gel that you could use to do your baby hairs because it is sticky. I really love this gel so much. I have the red one, which is like the extreme hold, you guys. They have a black one and a yellow one as well. Definitely check it out. I got mine from Beauty Exchange, but I literally just applied my lace to it, and I sprayed some Got2b spray on it, and I tied it down. And literally, why can't I talk? What the hell? And literally it was ready in seconds. Oh my gosh, this is why I hate to do voiceover sometimes. I feel like I'm under so much friggin' pressure, but you guys get the gist. Also, I finessed some baby hairs on the sides where there's no lace, so just watch and enjoy, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like this color. Comment down below what you guys think about it, and let me know what other colors you think I should try. Oh yeah, and I'm definitely a head ass for matching my hair ties with my hair color, but I mean, leave me alone, let me live, okay? But yeah, thanks for watching again. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.
Catch up and now I'm laughing up. Pull up in the Benz, yeah. I'm about to bust down on his friend, yeah. All this shit ain't for pretend. No, you play me and now that shit dead, yeah. You thought I'd never leave you. You thought that I was dead. You thought you could do better. You know it ain't the same. Thought you cut me deep, boy. Now you're the one in pain. Oh. You thought I'd never leave you. You thought that I was dead.
And that be on the beat. After hours, we get it poppin', let's hop in the shower. We touching and kissing and loving for hours. We stacking this money and blowing it sour. After hours, let's get it poppin', let's hop in the shower. We touching and kissing and loving for hours. We stacking this money and blowing it sour. After hours, let's get it poppin' and go to the bedroom. Put on that little fit that I bought you in Cancun. Let's keep it between us like we did in last June. Come in, girl, let me show you. After hours, meet me in the shower with nothing but a towel. Tell me something about you, like what's your favorite sex move? Let me put it on you. Girl, I wanna spoil you. Turn that ass around, time for round two. After hours, it's after hours. Let's get it poppin', let's hop in the shower. We touching and kissing and loving for hours. We touching and kissing and loving. We stacking this money and blowing it sour. After hours, let's get it poppin', let's hop in the shower. We touching and kissing and loving for hours. We stacking this money and blowing it sour. After hours,
Boy, I wanna take you to my crib. I'ma get on top and show you how I live. Right here, so good, you bet me not to stop. You're in and out, you're hitting on my spot. It's after hours, let's hop in the shower. Come stroke me with power. Hey, let's make a move now. Just me and you now. Spin me right round. Hey, baby, come and get it now. I want you. Come and beat it up just like you're supposed to. You can pull on my hair and do whatever, I don't care.
after hours, it's after hours. Let's get it poppin', let's hop in the shower. We touching and kissing and loving for hours. We touching and kissing and loving. We stacking this money and blowing it sour. After hours, let's get it poppin', let's hop in the shower. We touching and kissing and loving for hours. We stacking this money and blowing it sour. After hours, now we in the room, then we going long straight loving. Kissing on the body, getting all excited, slow stroke.